Master your English pronunciation, a self-assessment journey. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our comprehensive guide to mastering English. In this video, we're going to focus on an incredibly important aspect of your English learning journey: tracking progress over time using self-assessment tools. This process can help you understand your growth and areas for improvement, which is crucial for advancing in your language skills. Let's dive in. Language learning is a journey. And just like any journey, it's not just about the destination, it's also about understanding the progress you're making along the way. Tracking your progress using self-assessment tools can help you understand where you've improved and where you still need to focus your efforts. It's a feedback mechanism that allows you to adjust your learning strategy to ensure efficient language acquisition. Self-assessment tools are resources that help you evaluate your own language skills. They range from listening tests, where you assess how well you understand spoken English, to pronunciation activities that test how accurately you speak. These tools typically involve a checklist or scale that you use to rate your own performance. By consistently using these tools, you create a record of your progress over time. Effectively using self-assessment tools involves a few steps. 1. Regularity. Make self-assessment a regular part of your learning. For example, assess your pronunciation weekly to see improvements or areas where you're still struggling. 2. Consistency. Be consistent in how you evaluate your skills. If you're subjective or inconsistent, your results won't accurately reflect your progress. 3. Honesty. Be honest with yourself. It's tempting to overestimate our skills, but accurate self-assessment requires objectivity. 4. Reflection. Reflect on your assessments. What patterns do you notice? What areas need more work? Use this information to guide your future learning. As you use self-assessment tools, it's important to track your progress over time. Create a log or journal of your self-assessment results, noting the date of each assessment and any observations you have. Over time, you'll start to see trends. Maybe your pronunciation of certain sounds improves, or perhaps you continue to struggle with certain aspects of spoken English. This tracking helps you adjust your learning strategy for better results. And that's it, learners. Remember, mastering a language isn't just about reaching the destination, it's about understanding your journey. Self-assessment tools and tracking your progress over time can provide you with valuable insights into your learning process. Keep up the hard work, and remember to be patient and persistent. Happy learning!